Hi everyone, I am Arti Chopra from Staenz. The name Staenz itself indicates the purpose for which the institution has come into existence. The support, it means exactly support. Support for gaining knowledge, support for skill development, support for training and enhancement of proficiency, support for placement, and a wide support and a long span support for any kind of professional error, professional need or professional problem at any point of time in life. Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, who is the owner of this institution, is a mentor, is a guide, is an instructor and a great motivator. He is a think tank. He has got the knowledge. We are pursuing so many modules at Staenz while learning digital marketing course, and each of the modules is a big column in itself, but he knows A to Z about each column. The way he teaches is very, very simple. He put across things with the help of few examples. He cites all the examples which relate to our day-to-day life, so it becomes very easy to learn from him. He has actually bridged the gap, hierarchical gap between the teacher and the taught. So it becomes very, very easy to approach him to learn the existing concepts or any new concepts. As a person, he is very, very simple and minded. It is very, very difficult to be simple these days. But his simplicity, his positive vibes attracts everyone, every student and every member of the society he belongs to. The ambience he has created for Staenz, the working environment he has given to all of us, is really impressive. We feel at ease to learn from him. He has a good team. He has a team of relentless workers, hard workers who are constantly contributing towards this organization. Madam Tejaswani, Ma'am Tanmay and Mr. Adesh, they are really working hard for this institution. And at Indirapuram, I feel that Mr. Adesh is like an oil in the lamp, and we all learn from him every day, and we feel the emptiness in case he doesn't come to the institution. For anybody who wants to join some digital marketing course, I would like to recommend that this is the one and the best.